Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to derive a general formula for sine inverse of x. Let's start. We know that e to the I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. And e to the minus I theta is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Now subtracting this equation from this equation, so we will get e to the I theta minus e to the minus I theta is equal to 2I sin theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to e to the I theta minus e to the minus I theta upon 2I. Now let y equal to sine inverse of x. Therefore, sine of y is equal to x. Now we know that we can write sine y in this form. Therefore, e to the iy minus e to the minus iy upon 2I is equal to x. Therefore, e to the iy minus e to the minus iy is equal to 2ix. Now multiplying both sides by e to the iy, therefore we will get e to the 2iy minus 1 is equal to 2 into e to the iy ix. Therefore, e to the 2iy minus 2ix into e to the iy minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, e to the iy the whole square minus 2ix into e to the iy minus 1 is equal to 0. By using quadratic formula, we can write e to the iy is equal to 2ix plus minus root of minus 4x square plus 4 upon 2. So this will be equal to 2ix plus minus 2 root 1 minus x square upon 2. Therefore, e to the iy is equal to ix plus minus root of 1 minus x square. Taking natural log on both sides, so we will get iy is equal to ln of ix plus minus root of 1 minus x square. Multiplying both sides by minus I, so we will get minus I into iy is equal to minus I ln ix plus minus root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, y is equal to minus I ln ix plus minus root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, y is equal to minus I ln ix plus minus I root x square minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus I ln, taking I common from here, so we will get I into x plus minus root of x square minus 1. By using properties of logarithms, we will get y equal to minus I into ln I plus ln of x plus minus root of x square minus 1. Now we will find value of ln I. We know that e to the pi I is equal to minus 1. Taking square root on both sides, so we will get e to the pi I by 2 is equal to I. Taking natural log on both sides, so we will get pi I by 2 equal to ln I. Therefore, ln I is equal to pi I by 2. So this will be equal to minus I into pi I by 2 plus ln of x plus minus square root of x square minus 1. Therefore, sine inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus I ln of x plus minus square root of x square minus 1. Now let's find value of sine inverse of 2. So we will get sine inverse of 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus I ln 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 1. This will be equal to pi by 2 minus I ln of 2 plus minus root 3. This is approximately 1.5707 plus minus 1.3169 I. And that's it for today. Stay safe and take care.